Supreme Court verdict on Rivers affirmed lower court decision. Who is saying this? Solomon Bobs. Now, wow. This one, after 14, Falana is still talking this way. Now, how? It's been interpreted, but some people, I don't know, this law, Nigerian law is becoming very subjective. That the courts of the same level will be interpreting the laws in different forms and will be issuing judgment and counter judgment at the same level. And the individuals will be subjecting the law to their own personal interpretation. Yeah, and it's happening because a lot of the judicial officers and judges and justices have decided to be collecting politicians' money and selling judgment like kuli. That is why it is like this. A member of the House of Representatives, Solomon Bob, has stated that with the Supreme Court dismissing Governor Siminalayi Fubara's appeal, the Court of Appeal judgment affirming the High Court decision on the presentation of the Rivers State budget remains in effect. Okay. So the lawmakers who spoke to journalists in Lagos claimed that the Apex Court judgment does not solely concern the 2024 budget presentation, but includes all subsequent presentations such as that of 2025, requests or nominations before the Rivers State House of Assembly. Can you imagine? That is by inference. Meanwhile, that case had the content that was used to institute that case in 2024. So why are you now trying to infer or transfer the interpretation to 2025 fiscal year? It doesn't work now. So Bob, who represents the Abua, Odua, and Ahoda East Federal Constituency in the National Assembly, also described the opinion of human rights lawyer Femi Falana that the dismissed appeal only pertained to 2024 appropriation law and was therefore merely academic as a misleading interpretation. Can you imagine? So he insisted that Justice Omotosho's judgment addressed critical issues central to the crisis, including the leadership and membership of the Rivers State House of Assembly and the presentation of the 2024 appropriation law or any material presentations to the House of Assembly. So the lawmaker, who is also a lawyer, cited one of the orders in the judgment to back up his claims, saying an order is hereby made restraining the 11th defendant, Governor Fubara, from making any request, presentation, or nomination to the Rivers State House of Assembly except to the House under the leadership of the second plaintiff, Speaker Martins Amewule. So Bob said, as the order above illustrates, Mr. Falana is mistaken. He downplays the severe implications of operating without an appropriation law. Additionally, he stated that the dismissed appeal did not concern the Rivers State House of Assembly membership. Of course, nearly all the reliefs of sorts and granted by the Federal High Court and affirmed by the Court of Appeal supported the ongoing membership of the House of Assembly by the 27 legislators. So according to Section 272, Subsection 3 of the Constitution, only the Federal High Court has jurisdiction over questions of vacancy in the seats of a House of Assembly. Can you imagine? So Justice Omotosho's ruling and the affirming appeals remain the sole judicial decision with the authority to determine the status of the 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. So Mr. Falana's claim that they have lost their seat is unfounded and lacks legal basis. Can you imagine? These are people that are causing confusion in the law to suit their interest. Contrary to his opinion, Section 109, Subsection 1G of the Constitution is not self-executing. So in a constitutional democracy, no law operates in isolation, as every constitutional provision requires judicial interpretation. So to imply otherwise is to ignore the necessity of the judicial review. Can you imagine? So the same thing again is trying to tell Falana here that by inference, the Supreme Court judgment is encompassing, all encompassing. It's covering both the issue of 2024 presentation of budget and then the issue of 2025 budget as well. Can you imagine? All this interpretation, I don't know when, if I look at democracy itself, it's not even good for Nigeria because we are just turning things upside down. But this is not how it is done in other parts of the world. Why is Nigeria own different? That is the problem. Why is Nigeria own different? Then the comment section, somebody say, not true, stop misleading the public. Same way you politicians are running Nigeria aground. This country does not belong to politicians. It belongs to the Nigerian people. Politicians have done enough damage. Your time is up. He is on his own. Oh, let him enjoy himself, Abi. So let the Solomon Bob enjoy himself. He's on his own. I hope that people should caution him before it is too late. Some say, you that is leading what have you succeeded in saying? That's contrary to what he said. You only displayed emotions and sentiment, nothing more. When you have nothing to say, then keep your mouth shut and dirty fingers out of typing nonsense for a public. Can you imagine these people? Insulting themselves here. Some should stop deliberate misinterpretation and misinformation. For trying to hide behind one finger is deceiving oneself. Defection matter is one still awaiting determination, and that is the core of the whole Rivers State matter. And that is it. Mr. Solomon Bob is charge and bail lawyer, not be lie. That is exactly what he has displayed now. He is a charge, obviously a charge and bail lawyer. Is this man a judge? From which court is he speaking? Does his personal opinion amount to a statement of law? Does the lawmaker, so-called also interpret law? That is the question. Lawyer, when not knowing your work, na swegbe imbi, not be lie. So Solomon Bob, he cannot be a lawmaker and you are coming here to interpret the law at the same time. Leave the judiciary to interpret the law and stay out of it. Because that is how you people have turned or subjected Nigeria into several hardships because of, subjection of the law. So thank you for listening. Let's have your comment. And Solomon Bob is still saying that Falana is wrong and that Supreme Court judgment is all encompassing. Meanwhile, there's another subsisting case on the table of Supreme Court judges to be concluded.